Hey guys, I'm super excited. Today I'm sharing with you the July edition of our Sparkle and Rise e-magazine. It's the summer edition. We do these quarterly, and every quarter I think there's no way Janice is going to top the last quarter's magazine. I'm going to quit thinking that because every quarter she does. This quarter's magazine is just so beautiful. It's all about summer. Janice has a new column in the magazine called The Style Buzz, so check that out. She's sharing the hot new colors with you in this edition. We've got an article about LinkedIn. There's some information about our new closed Facebook group for women called Sparkle and Rise. We've got some great quotes and some other interesting things that are coming up in the next couple of months included inside. So take a peek. Let us know what you love about the magazine. Let us know what you'd like to see in future editions. And stay tuned because this is a quarterly magazine that we love creating, and we'll just keep adding more and more value. All right, guys, I am so excited to share it with you, and I cannot wait to hear what you think about the July edition of Sparkle and Rise. Have a great day. Bye.